let's say you kind of fell asleep. You're not sure if I fully fell asleep or maybe just my eyes closed. If you have doubts whether you fully fell asleep or not, and you were on wudhu, now you kind of, wake up from that quick falling asleep, and you have doubt. You're not sure if you fully slept. What do you consider yourself to be? What does the law of continuity say? Exactly. The law of continuity says you were sure 100% before you kind of fell asleep that you were on wudhu. That you have certainty about. Now that your eyes closed, your head kind of went down, right? You have doubt whether you fully slept and invalidated your wudhu. So the law of istishab, the law of continuity says, consider yourself to be on wudhu. Continue that wudhu state. So whenever you have doubts, same with all of these. If someone had doubt whether they urinated, if someone had doubt whether they passed gas, for instance, whenever you have doubts, whether you invalidated the wudu or not, you can assume safely that you are on wudu. Yes.
Can we pray in that state?
You can pray in that state. There are no issues. Absolutely. You can